welcome to this second round of the Future Classroom Scenarios course, and thanks for joining us. My name is Ben and I'll be leading you through this course. Now, this is the second round of a course we ran for the first time in April of this year, and because the feedback we have been getting has been so positive, we have decided to run the course again. There are only minor changes to what we did in the first round, so if you were part of the first round, there won't be anything substantially new to explore. However, much of this course relies on your inputs and discussions, so of course we welcome anyone, new or old, to participate on this second round. Now, thanks to all of you who have already responded to our pre-course survey and have placed a marker on the course map. If you haven't done this yet, you can still do so using the links above this video. To start out with, let me say a few words about how this course works. The course lasts 6 weeks and is divided into 6 modules. 1 module per week. We open a new module every Monday morning. Now, the end date of the course is the 7th of September, but we allow a grace period of an additional week, so you have until the 14th of September to complete all the work, just in case you have fallen behind during the process. Now, each module consists, first of all, of a number of short videos which introduce key concepts and ideas. An activity that asks you to contribute to the discussion, and an introduction to an interesting teaching tool. And finally, there's always a short quiz that checks you have been following the module, except in Module 6. We will also have 3 webinars throughout the course, which will allow for some live interaction, so you can actually ask some live questions during those webinars. Now, the webinars will take place in the 2nd, 3rd and 4th week of the course. The first webinar is scheduled on the 7th of August. All webinars start at 6:30 p.m. Brussels time. For more information, check the webinar schedule page here in the course introduction. And make sure to put the dates and times in your calendar. Now, in Module 5, we will ask you to start work on your final assessment of the course. This will be to write up a learning story, which is very similar to a lesson plan. We will explain more about this in Module 5. And you will have around 2 weeks to complete this learning story. The learning story will be the final assessment of the course and will be reviewed by your peers. Now, if you have passed all the quizzes and the final assessment, you will receive a digital certificate at the end of the course. For each completed module, you will also receive a digital badge, which you can import into your Mozilla Badge backpack. And if you don't know what that is, check out the Q&A section. For any technical or organizational questions, please first check this Q&A section, which you can always find at the top of the course page. Now, to make sure we're all clear about the key elements of the organization of this course, please take the short quiz at the end of this course introduction section. You have to complete the quiz to access Module 1, but don't worry, it's very easy and you have unlimited attempts, and it's only 5 questions. That's it for now, so let's get started with the first module.